Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Blooming Omorin, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Terra Luna in Canada and transfer it to your Ledger wallet. If today is your first time of visiting my channel or watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you see more vital teachings on crypto investing. So, let's get started. First, what is Terra Luna? Luna is a governance and staking token on the Terra network protocol. It operates as a collateral that backs, secures, and stabilizes the price of the Terra stablecoin, such as the UST. And in addition to that, Terra holders can stake their tokens to earn more token over time. In our next class, I'm going to show you how you can stake your Terra Luna on the Terra station. But for the purpose of today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can buy Terra Luna in Canada and transfer it or store it on your Ledger wallet. So let's get started. Step 1, log into NDAX. If you are in Canada, NDAX is one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges to buy, sell, and trade crypto. If you don't have an NDAX account, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to open your account. And if you use the link below, you are going to get $10 when you fund your account. So again, log into NDAX. Once you're logged into NDAX, this is how your desktop is going to look. You can see that I have about $160 Canadian. If you don't know how to fund your account, I did a comprehensive video on how to do that. I'm going to leave a link here for you to access the video, okay? So I'm going to make the assumption that you already funded your account. So step 2, buy Luna. So you're going to come here and click on the drop down. You're going to search for Luna and it's going to bring out this pair. Click on it. I want to buy Luna worth of $130. Okay. The current price for Luna right now it's about $117 Canadian, but I just want to buy $130 worth of Luna. So that's going to be about 1.1 Luna. So I just click buy. I'm going to click on this green button here and it's going to bring out this confirmation page. Yes, I'm buying this amount of Luna. This is the price and this is the fee and this is the balance of Luna that I'm going to get. So I'm going to say confirm buying, and you can see if you come right here, you can see that I have 1.09 Luna. Step 3, log into Ledger Life. So you're going to log into Ledger Life. Once you're logged into Ledger Life, next step 4 is for us to install the Terra app on our Ledger device. So connect your Ledger device to your computer and enter your PIN for your Ledger device. So I'm going to do that. Once you enter your PIN, then you're going to come here to Manager. Now it says allow Ledger Manager on your device. So you're going to click on the 2 buttons on your Ledger device. I'm currently using the Ledger Nano X. So click on both buttons at the same time to allow Ledger Manager. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your firmware is up to date. So you can see here it says firmware is up to date, but if it's not, you need to update it. So you're gonna go in the search bar and type in Terra. So click on install. You see it's already installing. Installed. So you can see that we cannot manage our Terra Luna directly in Ledger Life. We need to connect to a third-party wallet, and that is the Terra Station wallet. You're going to go on Terra Station wallet, so click on it. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description below. Now it's going to bring you to the Terra station dashboard. So this is the official Terra's wallet. So the next thing that we're going to do is to connect our Ledger wallet. Okay, so click on connect here. Click on access with Ledger. Click on it. Here it says plug in a Ledger device. So you're going to say connect. You see automatically it has already detected that I'm using a Ledger Nano X. So click on it. Click on connect. So this is where you're going to enter your Ledger device PIN. So go ahead and enter the PIN. So it says open the Terra app in Ledger. So now I've already entered my PIN, so I need to open the Terra app in Ledger. My Ledger device says Terra ready. So click on connect. So now we're gonna send Luna from NDAX to our Ledger wallet. So I need to get the address, right? So you're gonna come here. This is my own address. I'm gonna click on it and just say copy. Then I come back into NDAX. If this is the first time you're sending the Luna to your wallet for the first time, I highly recommend that you send just a little first. So I'm gonna go back into NDAX. I'm gonna click on withdraw. I want to withdraw all the Terra in my wallet. I click on send. I'm gonna paste my address here again. So since I'm sending to my own private wallet, I'm gonna enter 0 here. Next, amount of Luna to send. I wanna send everything. So I'm gonna click on max. So next you're gonna check this box here. I hereby confirm that the information provided here is accurate. I'm gonna click on this checkbox, click on send Luna, click on proceed. Again, I'm going to enter the Google Authenticator code. Next, I'm going to check my email to confirm the withdrawal. So I just confirmed that on my phone. So it says withdraw confirmation success. I'm going to close out of that. Come back here. So I'm going to wait a little bit for the transaction to come into my Terra station. So right here you can see on my Terra station wallet I have about 1.05 Luna. So that's very easy to do. I've shown you how you can buy Terra and transfer it to your Ledger wallet, and this is where you're going to be managing your Luna token. Okay, in the next class I'm going to show you how you can stake your Luna token for more rewards. As I often say, it's important for you to protect and store your crypto on an external wallet, and the best one out there is the Ledger Nano X. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to access the correct website to get your crypto wallet. Okay, if you found any value whatsoever in today's class, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and until then, bye bye.